Hello, friend. Welcome to the Let's Learn Together channel. And previously, we saw that we just printed normal Hello World program in Java programming and Eclipse, right? So today we'll be looking one more program that is reverse string. So let's see how to do it. So first of all, this is my language package. I will be create one class inside that. So let's create it. I'm creating class. Now we can give the name of the class reverse string. Okay, and I will add the method public static void main string arguments. So I have created reverse string class. You can see this class modifies public, and there is a main method to execute the code that is public static void main string arguments. So let's see. Today we will be reversing the string with the help of two options, right? We will be looking at two options that, and we know that reversing string. This question has asked many times in interview, like Infosys, TCS, and big MNCs. They used to ask this question. So let's see how we can reverse our string. So let's jump onto the code. So first I will create one string str. I will give it my name. Okay, so here I have created one variable str and I have put the value Sudam, right? And this is the data type. We are storing this value into this variable, and this is the data type holding that value. You can see here the string is a class. Okay, so you should also know that string is a class, represents the character strings, right? So let's go ahead again. What I will do, I will so first I will len str dot. So you can see we have to find the length of the string. So we will need this method from the string, which is length method, right? Don't forget to give semicolon after the end of its statement in Java. So here we have taken the length of this string Sudam into this length variable str.length. And if you want to see what is the length, let's do it quickly. Pass the length, and we will should able to see the length should be 5, right? Let's see. Here you can see we found this string has length of 5, right? So we don't need to print it for as of now. So we just take the length of string into the length. Now we have to reverse this string. So we need one variable, and for that which should be empty. So when we'll be reversing it, the string should be come to that. So what we'll do? String reverse. We take one variable string reverse and we'll keep it as empty, right? Nothing into that, it's just empty. Now what we will do, we loop a for variable, right? So we have to take one by one character from the last, right? First M should come, then after A, then D, U, S. It should be like reverse. So what we will do, we will run a for loop. So for loop, we create for loop. So and what here we have to do, int I equals to len minus 1. So we have to reverse a string. So we all know the index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to reverse a string. So what do we do? So we have taken this the length of Sudam into the len, and now we will do len minus 1, which is mean it's total, like we see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 count is there, but it starts from 0, so we have to make it one less. So int I len minus 1. So we have initialized first our length, and then what we will do, we will check the condition now. I is greater than equals to 0. Sorry, it's my mistake. I is greater than equals to 0. Okay, and then what we'll do, we will lessen it by one, or reduce it by one. So I minus minus, right? Here we will add loop, right? So what we are doing here, we have taken the length, which is the 6. So it's like 5. So and then it will check 5 is greater than 0. If it is true, yeah, it's true, and then it will less minus. So what will we do, it will print 5, then it decrement, then again need to go here, right? So now it's already decremented, it's a 4, 4 is greater than 0, and it will check what it will print a, then it will again come here, then it will come to d, it will print d u s, like the reverse will be a reverse, string will be like here will become the reverse. So the next step is, uh, we have to make the use of this character, right? So here we will look like we will be using one method, ln dot. So what we'll be using here, so we know that, so our string is there, str dot caret. So we have to go one by one character from the last character. So I, right? And then we'll come out of this loop. See, so system.println, and we will print the our reverse now. Audit will be doing this, and then now we can check the our string is reversed or not. Here you can see it's mothers, MADUS, and our string is reversed here. So this is the first option. So what is the important component here? The first thing, you have to identify the length, right? And you have to create one empty variable to reverse, to keep into the reverse variable, and then you have to go with the for loop. Then you start from the length minus 1, then it will check the condition until it becomes 0. You will decrease it, and each time, so first time your reverse is empty, then instead of character it will the last character come here, and it will stored in this m. Again it will go there, it will check, yeah, it will check that 4 is greater than 0, and again it will come here, and then a will again, before it was m there, so it will hold the m with a now, so it will become ma, and then again it will be mad, and then madu, and then mad, right? So like this. So second option here, we will look what we'll do. We will look for string buffer. Now we will check with the string buffer. So string buffer sf equals to new string buffer. Okay, new string buffer, and we will pass, or what we do, we will pass str, our string here, str str, and what we'll do, sf dot reverse. I think I have done something wrong here. sf sf dot method should come here, string buffer sf equals to new string buffer. Okay, and then sf dot sf dot string buffer. Mm, dot sf dot reverse. There's a method, and here you can give the str. So do one thing. I will keep this. Okay. Okay, and we'll remove this one. Set of triggers. The method is not populating. Mm, set of triggers. This lot of interline, and then I will print here str. Now let's see. Sudam. Oh, that's my fault. Set dot reverse str should here. Yeah. Remove argument to match reverse. Now let's see. Except for yes. Now you can see the string has been reversed with the string buffer. That's all, my friend. Thank you.